Here are 10 interesting facts about woodpeckers. 1. Mentioned in Quran, the woodpecker's unique pecking ability is likened to the repetition of prayers in the Quran, 31:28. 2. Prophet Sulayman, A.S. According to Islamic legend, Prophet Sulayman, A.S., King Solomon, was taught by a woodpecker how to communicate with animals. Third Hadith on birds, Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said, "A wooden peg was inserted in the trunk of a tree, and a woodpecker pecked at it, and the peg fell out." Sunan Abu Dawud. Fourth, beneficial insects. Woodpeckers control insect populations, illustrating Islamic principles of balance and stewardship in nature. 5. Unique skull structure. Woodpeckers have a specially designed skull with a spongy bone structure, helping to absorb shock from pecking. 6. Pecking speed. Woodpeckers peck at speeds of up to 20 times per second, generating forces of up to 1,000 times gravity. 7. Tongue strength. Woodpeckers' tongues are incredibly strong, with some species having tongues twice as long as their bodies. 8. Tree selection. Woodpeckers choose trees based on insect availability, acoustic properties, and potential nesting sites. 9. Adaptation to insects. Woodpeckers' stomachs are specially adapted to digest insects, with some species eating up to 2,000 ants per day. 10 woodpeckers can live up to 20 years in the wild. There are over 240 woodpecker species worldwide,